Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am back with another video. Today I'm here to share hashtag color and create with us, You Rock Art, hosted by Rosemary at Rosemary's You Rock Art. So I hope everybody had a great, blessed Thanksgiving with family and friends. Ours was kind of because my daughter was not feeling well from college, and luckily we're not sick, so well, there's time, I guess. But she had just a really bad cold, and I really felt for her because she was miserable. So I am here to share my page for Rosemary's open collaboration that she's hosting. She picked this coloring book earlier this year, but you did not have to buy this book. You could color in any coloring book you wish, or you can color printed images. You can color stamped images and so forth. So you don't have to color in this coloring book. She just suggested that if we wanted, we could purchase this book and follow along with her. And I agreed to do that on my own. And so far, I really love this book. It's really adorable, and it has pages for all season round, it seems. So this week's page, which is very light, I don't know if it's my camera. It is kind of light. I use color pencils, so it's not all that dark and vibrant. But I do love how I colored him. He is adorable. I think he's like a little Christmas elf from the North Pole. I tried to give him some rosy cheeks and a rosy nose. I just kind of gave him some white hair or gray hair in his beard and hair. And colored the flowers with some different colors, purple, yellow, and orange. And this is like a navy blue or dark blue. And yeah, that is my page for this week's hashtag. Rosemary has shared her page, and the next week's is this beautiful stained glass rose. It's, oh my gosh, I have some ideas already because I love stained glass. I love them in churches and in homes, and they're just gorgeous when the light shines through them. They're beautiful. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week. It's December 2nd. Yikes. We only have a few more weeks until Christmas and then the new year, and then it's 2025. I can't wait. So I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.